Friends, how are you? This is Devani Singh, and now we are discuss today how to recreate English country cottage. So let's start. Embrace brown furniture, a home that is hundred of years old, calls for some equally aged furniture, rocking chair, trunk, writing desk. Anything brown is in. It's a sustainable way to decorate. Make friends with antique decors if you're looking out for something specific. Homely patterns like florals and ticking strips, distressed, worn, or painted furniture and fixtures, sun drenched airy space that bring the outdoor in. Original or reclaimed white plank, wood flooring, upcycled or vintage inspired decor that pay homage to farm life. So friends, please subscribe my channel and like the button, and see you later. Bye bye, take care.